Everyone, the AirPods Max 2s have officially came out. So let's go and see how to basically use these beautiful new headphones. Now, the first thing to remember here is that these headphones are very nice. There's a couple of cool new features, but the big changes are inside of these particular headphones. From the exterior, you won't be able to tell whether they're AirPods, USB-C models or AirPods Max 2s. When you take a look at the outside, there's a couple of cool things going on. Now you have the mesh cushion up at the very top. The top of your head basically goes up here. So you're able to go through and put your head right up here. The cushions also basically tell you whether they're on the left or right side. So if you look very close inside of the cushions, you can see that there's an L on one side and an R on the other. This basically means this is the right side of the headphones and this is the left side. So really they should be reversed, but I wouldn't be able to do it the other way. So you basically have that type of capability. These are also movable. So you can move these up and down just like this. So if you want to elongate them, you can click up here. If you want to make them shorter, you can do this way. And you can do that on both, which is really cool. On the top side of the right cushion, you do have a few different buttons. So these buttons are very nice. You have the capability of having this little gap right here. These are kind of like microphones or like outside speaker kind of things. You have a scroll wheel right up here. So this allows you to basically increase or decrease the volume, which is really nice. So you can quickly just make it bigger or smaller, and that'll increase and decrease the volume. This button right here, you can hold it down to basically get Siri if you really want Siri to come up, or you can click on it as like an OK button. You can pause or play a song. You can also double tap or triple tap it if you want to skip forward to the song and skip back to a song. On the right side, you have the little speaker button. So this kind of is like a pairing button too a little bit, but this is mostly used for turning on or turning off active noise cancellation. So if you want to click it turn on or off active noise cancellation, you can tap onto here and basically get that type of capability. Now the cushions themselves are also really cool. So you can go through and you can take off the cushions if you want to or plug them back in. So these are just little magnets on the sides right here. They're not super expensive to replace. If you lose one, it's not the biggest deal in the world, but they are pretty easy to kind of lose. I travel with my AirPods all the time, and if I clip it onto the right side, like if I put it on my book bag or even around something, I tend to have these things fly off all the time. So it's happened probably every time I travel. It's probably like twice it happens. It's very annoying, but it's something you deal with. I'll show you a quick workaround to that too. And at the very bottom, you basically have your USB Type-C port. This is how you charge your AirPods. You also have a little LED indicator on the top as well. But this is the main way that you charge your AirPods. You plug it in right here, you charge them up, and that's essentially how you do it. Now, you also have a little bit of a carrying case that comes inside of the box as well. So these are still the same as the AirPods 2s or AirPods Max 1s. So if you want to, you can plug them into their little carrying case like this. And this is pretty much the native way that you're supposed to be carrying them. So you're pretty much supposed to put them like this. You're supposed to kind of carry them around. The interesting thing is that these are still unchanged from before, and also this is kind of the only way to turn off your AirPods Max 2s. There's not really a native way to turn them off. This is really the main way. Now, pairing them up with your devices is also very easy. That also doesn't take that much time. So to pair them up with any iPhone or Android or whatever you have, all you're going to want to do, if you have an iPhone, all you have to do here, which is so basic, you just have to basically unplug, basically just turn, and there should be a pop-up that comes up at the bottom for your AirPods Maxes. So you can go through and you can pair them up just like this, and you should be able to see your AirPods Maxes basically come up there. So there should be a little pop-up that comes up right here, and then you should be able to use them. So that's also pretty basic. You can also do it within the settings application if you want to. There's a couple different other areas, but you just bring them close to each other. You'll have a little pairing button come up, and that's it. So that's pretty much how you use your AirPods Max 2s. They're super basic headphones. They're really nice. They look very good as well. I am curious to see how many people are going to get these, considering that, outside they didn't really change anything. The inside is pretty much where they changed everything. So let me know what you think. Hit the like button if you guys enjoyed the video, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.